The running stitch is the most essential stitch that anyone holding the needle must know. Start by bringing out your needle from one end of the stitch line. Make a small stitch. Then, bring out your needle with a small gap. Make another stitch. Repeat this process. Usually, it is preferred to keep the stitch longer than the length of the gap. This is not a rule though. What I'm doing here is a stab method, where you pull out the needle every time you pass it through the fabric. Now let me show you the sewing method, which I feel is more enjoyable and faster. In this method, you would plug the amount of fabric that makes the gap, then pull out the needle. This stitch forms the basis for many embroideries around the world. Some of the embroideries that thrive only on this stitch are the Kantha from India and Sashiko from Japan.